Well, the impact from the storm is being felt by those trying to catch a plane. Cancellations, delays, they just continue at Boston's Logan Airport. There were more than 460 cancellations into or out of New England's busiest airport, and another 77 flights have been delayed. That's according to FlightAware. At TF Green in Warwick, Rhode Island, operations resumed at 3 p.m. after a complete shutdown during Monday's storm. And a number of flight delays today at Bradley and Windsor Locks, too. The nation's airports are trying to rebound after the storm took a wrecking ball to the airline schedule. NBC Connecticut transportation reporter Andrew Rowan has a look now at the effort to rebook all those passengers.
There was some extra baggage with travelers arriving to Bradley Airport today. Shira Mahler finally landed from Sarasota after 2 itinerary changes.
It was stressful at moments in trying to be a weather forecaster and hope to predict what the airlines will do.
What the airlines did was cancel 30% of flights to and from Bradley on Sunday, 95% on Monday, and 25% today.
You have to kind of find space to put people.
Airport spokesperson Brian Spiro said this storm stopped more flights than the last.
We had winds in excess of 50 miles an hour, very low visibility, so all of that makes for some challenging conditions.
Crews kept runways and taxiways clear during the storm and spent this morning cleaning up the remainder of the airfield.
It was the same situation as many people probably experienced at their own homes, where you would clear a surface and the snow would blow it right back on.
There are some delays, but the real-time display board looks way better today than it did yesterday. But there are still a lot of people who wanted to be on one of these flights on this board, but aren't. Where are you now and where do you want to be?
I'm in Florida, and I would like to be home.
Anna Maria Belizzi had to extend her trip to Orlando by 2 days. The temperature there, a brisk 58 degrees. She's now set to leave tomorrow.
But it was funny because I even said to my neighbor, I said, I'm going to leave you my car keys so that you can move my car in case there's snow, and we laughed about it.
The storm scrambled flights at the Northeast airports. This misery map shows New York's airports and Boston Logan Airport still recovering, with more snow expected early tomorrow morning.
I'm just not going to entertain that until I have to. But again, I have a free place to stay, so I'll be fine.
As airlines get back to the skies, one thing is clear. It's good to be home.
And I'm sure my husband and my 2 little kids will be happy that I'm back.
Andrew Rowan, NBC Connecticut News.